It is Monday, it is sunny, and it is cold. We're back at Blower Street this morning to attempt phase 2 of that water line install for the sprinkler line suppression. The crew is on site. They are having issues already though with some of the gear. The breaker does not want to work. The fitting is not working, so mechanics are gone for parts. Let's see what happens. So, along with all the other issues this morning, which were multiple, had machine troubles. The breaker broke down, or I should say the fitting broke down, not the breaker. And then traffic control had some issues setting up this morning. But all things considered, it is now 10 to 2 in the afternoon. The boys have the hole through the wall. They got all their parts here, so they're just starting to put stuff together now. So they'll throw the other valve on, get the threaded rods put in, and then we should be good to go to start backfilling. The hydrovac is done now, so he's just doing up his bill, and we'll go from there. So vac truck is leaving now. So once they're gone and out of the way, we'll get back down there and have a peek and see what's going on. I want to try to get my truck down there out of the way, so. I'll pull mine down.
Guess I missed another.
Yep.
Right up one?
Yeah, right up one.
Needs a bigger socket. Big one? Yeah, that one.
So we are just back to site now. Just went and grabbed some crusher dust for around the gas line. So I have that on my truck now. So we'll get out here in a second and see what's happening. But from what I hear, there is some question about how the line's going in now that we're here doing it. So we'll go and take a peek and have a look and see what's up.
You've got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images. And it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. You've got me saying words in my head,
not too bad. They get the concrete in now. They're just backfilling, getting the gravel in. A little bit of bad news in one sense. They wouldn't let us put the test line inside, which kind of sucks, especially this time of year. So that's in the curb line. A problem for me to deal with later, but at least for now, the line is in through the wall, concreted. They'll get it backfilled, cold patched, and we'll go from there.
You're calling my phone. I'm being patient, but I'm all alone. Staying faithful and I'll never know when you're coming back around. When you're coming back around. You got me all in my feelings, like I could die without you next to me. It's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right, right, ain't right. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right. You're calling my phone. I'm being patient, but I'm all alone. Staying faithful and I'll never know when you're coming back around. When you're coming back around. Makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right.
So, concrete is in, gravel's in, tamped, backfilled, curb stop is in, valves are in, valve boxes are in, the line is in, now they're cold patching.
Oh no, it ain't right, right, right. It ain't